Hey foodies, James are from Bloggin Good Food. Today we are diving into the world of diets, but hold on, because we are not just talking about any diet, we are unraveling the mystery behind the Cabbage Soup Diet. Is it really cost effective or just another fad? Stick around to find out. The Cabbage Soup Diet Basics. Let's start by breaking down the basics of the Cabbage Soup Diet. This diet claims to be a wallet-friendly solution to shedding those extra pounds. But is it too good to be true? Let's dig in. The cost factor. Now, let's talk about the mola. Is the cabbage soup diet really light on the wallet, or are there hidden costs? Time to break out the calculator and get down to the nitty-gritty. Nutritional value breakdown. But hold on. Affordability is not just about dollars or cents, but about the nutrients. We are dissecting the nutritional value of the cabbage soup diet. Spoiler alert, it's more than just cabbage. Real people, real results. Time to meet the real folks who have ventured into cabbage soup territory. Are results as spectacular as they claim, or is it just a cabbage flavored illusion? Let's hear from the success stories. And there you have it, folks, the verdict on the cabbage soup diet. Is it worth your time, or should you cabbage patch away from it? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty content, and let us know your thoughts in the comment below. Until next time, stay hungry for the truth.